In a post-race release from the team, Yamaha have said that the reigning 450 Monster Energy Supercross champion Cooper Webb will undergo further evaluation on a knee injury sustained at round 6 of the Pro Motocross Championship at Redbud. Now, this comes from the second qualifying in the 450 session, obviously, where he twisted his knee, quote unquote, and still ended up racing the rest of the day, finishing 15th in the first moto and 8th in the second. So you gotta say, for a hurt knee to finish, I mean, granted, not great, but he's out of this championship in general, so him even racing is kind of just for SMX points. We do have a quote from him saying, "It was an up and down day at Redbud. I felt great in practice, and then on the last turn of my good lap, I ripped my left leg off the foot peg and caught my right knee pretty bad, which wasn't great. Then in the first moto, I ended up crashing in turn 2 right off the start. I was dead last when my bars and clutch bent, but I made a hard push to get myself back into 10th before my bike ran out of fuel in the last turn. In Moto 2, it was just a bad start, but I rode really well and ran 7th until Eli got me late in the moto, and I finished 8th. Overall, it was a very rough day physically and mentally, but my riding was good. I'm going to get my knee checked out Monday and make sure that we are all good." Now, obviously, this motocross championship is well out of the question. Doesn't even matter, really. But it does matter in the SMX standings of all things. At the moment, he sits first. Obviously, winning the Supercross title is a good little points bump, especially when, Jet was out, and a lot of people aren't gaining points there. So he has a pretty good start on that. His teammate Justin Cooper is second with 14 points back, and Aaron Plessinger is currently third in the standings, 57 back from Webb. So hopefully it's just a twisted knee. Let's go with that. It's just a little stinger, nothing super horrible. We're not going to see him out for the rest of motocross. I'm knocking on woods here. I'm talking that into existence, because you never want to see anybody get injured, especially a big name like him. And at this point too, it's who knows when you'd be back. If you're missing points for SMX, obviously he's going to qualify where he is standing right now. It's just all about the points and the qualifying standings for that. But I don't know, you guys tell me, did you go to Redbud? Do you like that one? Is it your favorite race, like a lot of people say? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who's going to win the titles? Although they're pretty well, I think, decided at this point between Deegan and Lawrence. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.